We're shooting photos for the new Disney collection by Velux that's going to launch in 2014.
Velux and Disney is a really good match because Velux blackout lines ensures a good night's sleep, and Disney is already a part of kids' lives, imagination and their play.
We chose a mixture of classical characters, like for the boys segment we chose Mickey Mouse and for the girls Minnie. For the more up-to-date characters we chose Dusty from the new Planes movies and Princess Universe, which is very popular amongst girls.
Det har været en rigtig stor og spændende udfordring at lave nogle designs, som børn i hele verden skal ligge og kigge på, når de skal til at lægge sig i seng. Jeg kan huske, at jeg selv var enormt glad for Mickey Mouse, faktisk. Jeg havde en trøje med ham, som jeg var ovenud lykkelig for.
Hvor er den sat før? Ja, dernede.